What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So since the crypto market has come back, it's kind of opening my eyes to opportunities. Now, I don't really have a ton of funds to look for different opportunities that are here, but I'm trying to find everything that I can find to purchase at a lower price. And when I see something like XRP at such a low price compared to where it has been, based on, being labeled not a security and, being a major part in the crypto universe, the crypto market, it's definitely opening my eyes to trying to purchase more. Like, I always want to find a great opportunity, and I think XRP is at a steal of a price right now. But again, this is just my opinion. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to buy anything. I'm not going to tell you to spend your life savings on something. I'm not going to do that. I want you guys to ultimately make the decision for yourself. 90% of buying a position, it should be you, right? 10% should come from outside sources and compiling that information into your strategy to make that decision. But you should not solely base your decision off of one person off of the internet or multiple people off the internet, right? Base it off of what you research in the end. So anyways, we're going to talk about XRP in this video. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description. It does help out with my growth. I really do appreciate you guys doing that. But anyways, let's talk about XRP. So if you didn't know what happened before, right? Before we saw things start to kind of collapse a little bit, XRP was in a 2-year lawsuit or battle. Or Ripple was in a 2-year battle about XRP and, that being a security, a 2-year plus battle. And it was a long fought battle. And a lot of people were like, hey, the decision's coming now. It's coming now. And it's going to be a major impact to the market. And we're going to see things absolutely thrive. Well, that all depends. If the market would stay, green, or would have been green from the word go, then yeah, we probably would have seen XRP continue its, skyrocketing, right? Its journey to the moon. It would have continued that. However, as things were read, it kind of followed the rest of the market, and then seeing, more and more negative news and how the market really just eats up any type of good news, and, kind of spits it out into a wood chipper. It's just like the markets just don't look great. They haven't looked great for a year and a half at this point. But XRP was in that battle. It ended up coming out on top and was labeled not a security. And XRP skyrocketed, right? You saw it get up to the 3rd largest cryptocurrency in the world. Right now, I think it's like 4th. When we include stable coins, we might be looking at 5th. But it definitely made its move up there, being worth more than way more than a $40 billion market cap, and getting upwards of 95 cents before finally decreasing and playing catch up to the market. Well, now we have a thought of an appeal. Right afterwards, it was like, hey, the appeal could take place and we might not see this last long. But either way, an ultimate decision of, XRP not being labeled a security will be a massive game changer there for a second time, right? But after we saw that 94 cent mark, it did find a way to decrease down to about 70 cents, 60 cents, and then has recently dropped down pretty low because the rest of the market has fallen as well. As we look at the market, it's currently at a $1.05 trillion market cap. And we're seeing, if we scroll down here, XRP at number 5 at 52 cents. Honestly, this is a steal of a price. This is where it was before they got the label of not being a security, the decision of not being a security, and it skyrocketed from there up to about 94 cents. And that is not the end goal. That's not the end point of where it should be, right? That was like a 40 to $50 billion market cap when XRP has hovered well above $100 billion, a couple of times. So seeing it up at those levels or hover at 90, hover at 100 or above shows how much potential it does have. Now, at the current stage, you would be seeing like a 4x up to that level of $100 billion market cap. But XRP, in my opinion, and a lot of other people's opinion, will be worth a ton more than just $100 billion, than $120 billion. It'll be worth 200, 300. Some people believe multiple and multiple trillions of dollars within the crypto market because of XRP's worth and, being the global digital currency that could have way more use case than any other cryptocurrency that is out there. And that's a phenomenal thought, a phenomenal, use case, potential use case. And that's why it makes it insanely valuable. So XRP sitting at a level here of 52 cents, down about 1%, is huge. It's really, really big because now you're seeing $843 million worth of volume. You see billions of dollars that's going through this weekly. You see that the overall supply, while being at 52 and 52% or 53%, you still have, a decent amount of supply that is out there. So you can see some dilution within it, but with the amount of volume and the amount of use that goes into that, $52 billion market cap is like chump change compared to where it's going to be at in the form of trillions. So honestly, it gives me so much hope and gives a lot of other people so much hope in where XRP can go and how much it will be worth. You go out there and you check predictions for XRP, and majority of the predictions that you're going to see, while some are very, very conservative and say that it's only going to get to like 70 cents by 2023. And I had to look at the date because I didn't know what year it was. 2023, and then it already got to 94 cents, and they're just like, well, it was going to get there, and now they're just like kind of twiddling their thumbs. You see them, they're conservative, but others will say that XRP will be worth $10, $20, $30, trillions of dollars, because they understand what the concept can be, and not just being a country's currency, but the world currency. Like, that's something that's huge. That's something that Bitcoin wants to do, but I don't think they can, or we want them to do it. We want something that's cheaper and faster to do it. And XRP is that. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Is 52 cents a steal for XRP, or is it a high price? Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, use the comment section down below to let me know your opinion. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below for my Twitter, for my Patreon, check those out. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.